In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a wallet into Coinbase Wallet. By the end, you'll have your existing wallet restored and ready to use, whether you're on Chrome or on mobile. First, install Coinbase Wallet. On desktop, open the Chrome Web Store. On mobile, head to your App Store. Search for Coinbase Wallet, then select Add to Chrome or Install, and follow the prompts to complete the installation. On desktop, you'll see the extension added to your browser. On mobile, the app will appear on your home screen. Quick tip: install only the official app or extension from the verified publisher to avoid lookalikes. Open the wallet to get started. On desktop, click the Coinbase Wallet icon in your browser toolbar to launch it. On the welcome screen, choose Import an existing wallet. This tells the app that you already have a wallet elsewhere and you want to bring it into Coinbase Wallet without creating a brand new one. Before we continue, I've placed the official download link for the app and the official website at the very top of the description to make this easy to find. Use those links to avoid phishing pages or fake downloads. When prompted to choose an import method, select recovery phrase. Carefully type your 12-word recovery phrase in the exact order with correct spelling and spacing. Take your time here. One wrong letter can prevent a successful import. And remember, your recovery phrase is the only way to restore your wallet. Never share it with anyone and never enter it on untrusted websites or in random pop-ups. Keep it offline and private. Next, create a new password. This password unlocks Coinbase Wallet on your device and protects local access. It does not replace your recovery phrase and can be changed later. Choose something strong and unique and store it securely. Once your phrase is verified, the wallet will restore. Give it a moment to sync, and your crypto balances and NFTs will begin to appear automatically. If you're using the browser extension, make it easy to reach by clicking the puzzle piece icon in Chrome, finding Coinbase Wallet, and clicking the pin so it's always visible on your toolbar. Finally, verify your assets. Check that your cryptocurrencies, like Ethereum, Solana, or Polygon, and your NFTs are visible. If something doesn't appear right away, allow a little time for syncing or add the network manually if you know it's missing. That's it. Your wallet is now imported into Coinbase Wallet. If this helped, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.